Worried about high cholesterol? Want to protect your heart naturally? The solution might be sweeter than you think. Because certain fruits, yes, fruits, can be powerful allies in your fight against cholesterol. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, and it's something that affects millions of people. It's a silent threat, often with no obvious symptoms, but it can lead to serious health problems down the road. Managing your cholesterol levels is absolutely crucial for protecting your cardiovascular health and living a long, healthy life. And while medication may be necessary in some cases, lifestyle changes, especially dietary changes, can make a huge difference. And that's where fruit comes in. There's one surprising fruit that's a cholesterol-lowering powerhouse. We'll reveal it soon, so stay tuned because we're going on a delicious journey. By the end of this video, you'll know the 10 best fruits for lowering cholesterol and the 5 worst fruits to avoid if you're a heart patient, so you can make informed choices for a healthier heart starting today. So, let's dive into why cholesterol matters so much and how fruit can actually help. First, we need to understand that there are different types of cholesterol. You've probably heard of good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. The bad cholesterol is called LDL, or low-density lipoprotein. This is the type that can build up in your arteries, forming plaque that hardens and narrows your arteries. Think of it like a clog in a pipe. This buildup increases your risk of heart disease and stroke. The good cholesterol is called HDL, or high-density lipoprotein. This type helps remove LDL cholesterol from your arteries, carrying it back to the liver where it's processed. Think of HDL as the garbage trucks of your circulatory system. Now, high cholesterol, particularly high LDL cholesterol, is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. According to the World Health Organization, raised cholesterol is estimated to cause 2.6 million deaths annually. That's a staggering number. But, and this is a very important but, it's often preventable and manageable through lifestyle changes. And one of the most powerful lifestyle changes you can make is to improve your diet. This is where the magic of fruit comes in. Certain fruits are packed with soluble fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that can actively help lower your cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber, in particular, is a key player. It works by binding to cholesterol in your digestive system and preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. It's like a sponge that soaks up excess cholesterol. Antioxidants, on the other hand, help protect your blood vessels from damage caused by LDL cholesterol. But before we get to the top 10 best fruits, let's bust a common myth about fruit and cholesterol. And that myth is that all fruit is bad for you because of the sugar content. The truth is, the natural sugars in whole fruits are packaged with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a completely different story from processed foods with added sugars. Okay, let's tackle this persistent myth that all fruits are bad for people with high cholesterol because of their sugar content. This is a huge misconception, and it's time to set the record straight. The natural sugars found in whole fruits are fundamentally different from the added sugars you find in processed foods like candy, soda, and pastries. It's like comparing apples and, apple-flavored candy. Added sugars are empty calories. They provide no nutritional value and can contribute to weight gain, high blood sugar, and yes, increased cholesterol levels. But the natural sugars in fruit come bundled with a whole package of beneficial nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and, most importantly, fiber. And fiber is the key player here when it comes to managing cholesterol. We've already touched on how soluble fiber helps bind to cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing its absorption. But fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels. It slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those sharp spikes and crashes that can negatively impact your health. This is crucial for overall metabolic health, and it also indirectly benefits your cholesterol levels. So, the takeaway here is that whole, natural fruits, in moderation, are not only safe for most people with high cholesterol, but they can actually be incredibly beneficial. The fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients work together to support heart health. However, and this is important, not all fruits are created equal when it comes to heart health. I'll show you which ones to prioritize and which ones to limit. All right, let's get to the heart of the matter. The 10 best fruits for lowering cholesterol. I encourage you to take notes on the fruits that appeal to you so you can add them to your shopping list. Let's make this practical and delicious. First up, we have apples. That old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," might actually have some truth to it. Apples are an excellent source of soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which has been shown to significantly lower LDL cholesterol levels. One medium-sized apple a day is a great goal. Enjoy it as a snack, slice it into salads, or add it to your morning oatmeal. Next, we have berries. Think blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, all those vibrant little jewels. Berries are bursting with antioxidants and fiber, both of which are fantastic for your heart. Studies have shown that berries can help lower LDL cholesterol and improve HDL cholesterol. Aim for about a cup of berries a day. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or enjoy them on their own. Then there are citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. These are rich in vitamin C and also contain soluble fiber and flavonoids, which can help lower cholesterol and improve blood vessel function. One medium orange or half a grapefruit per day is a good target. However, if you're on any medications, check with your doctor about grapefruit, as it can interact with certain drugs. Let's talk about pears. Like apples, pears are a great source of soluble fiber, which helps bind to cholesterol and remove it from the body. One medium pear a day provides a good dose of fiber. They're delicious on their own, or you can add them to salads or even bake them for a healthy dessert. Now for a surprising one, avocados. Yes, avocados are technically a fruit, and they're a nutritional powerhouse. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL cholesterol. They also contain fiber and other heart-healthy nutrients. About 1/4 to 1/2 of an avocado per day is a good amount. Next on the list are grapes, especially red grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to improved heart health and lower cholesterol levels. A cup of grapes makes a refreshing and healthy snack. Don't forget pomegranates. These are packed with unique antioxidants called punicalagins, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects and can help lower cholesterol. You can enjoy pomegranate seeds on their own, add them to salads, or drink pomegranate juice. Make sure it's 100% juice with no added sugar. Let's not overlook bananas. While not as high in soluble fiber as some other fruits, bananas are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, an important factor in overall heart health. One medium banana a day is a great addition to your diet. Then we have kiwi. This little fruit is packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, and fiber, all of which contribute to heart health and can help lower cholesterol levels. 2 small kiwis per day are enough. Finally, papaya. This tropical fruit contains an enzyme called papain, which aids digestion, and it's also a good source of fiber and antioxidants. Half a small papaya or a cup of cubed papaya is a good serving size. Now, you might be thinking, can fruit really make a difference? The science says, yes. Numerous studies have shown that incorporating these fruits into a healthy diet can significantly improve cholesterol levels. It's not just about one miracle fruit. It's about the combined effect of a diet rich in these beneficial foods. Which of these cholesterol-lowering fruits are you already eating? Let me know in the comments. I'm always curious to hear what you're doing. Okay, we've covered the 10 best fruits for lowering cholesterol. Now let's talk about the 5 worst fruits for heart patients, or more accurately, fruits and fruit preparations that you should limit. It's crucially important to understand that this isn't about completely avoiding any particular fruit. It's about moderation, portion control, and being mindful of how the fruit is prepared. First, let's talk about fruits canned in heavy syrup. These are often loaded with added sugar, which, as we've discussed, can negatively impact cholesterol levels and overall heart health. Instead of fruits canned in syrup, choose fruits canned in their own juice, or, even better, opt for fresh fruit. Next, dried fruits with added sugar. While dried fruit itself can be a healthy snack in moderation, many commercially available dried fruits have added sugar to enhance their sweetness. This extra sugar adds unnecessary calories and can worsen cholesterol levels. Look for dried fruits with no added sugar and be mindful of portion sizes, as dried fruit is much more concentrated than fresh fruit. A small handful is plenty. Then there are fruit juices. While a small glass of 100% fruit juice can be okay, it's important to remember that fruit juice is much lower in fiber than whole fruit. The fiber is mostly removed during the juicing process, and without that fiber, the natural sugars in the juice are absorbed much more quickly, potentially leading to blood sugar spikes. It's always better to eat the whole fruit rather than drink the juice. Next, we need to consider large portions of high GI fruits. We touched on the glycemic index, GI, earlier. Some fruits have a higher GI than others, meaning they raise blood sugar levels more quickly. For people with high cholesterol or heart concerns, it's generally best to choose lower GI fruits most of the time. And even with lower GI fruits, portion control is key. Eating a huge bowl of any fruit, even a healthy one, can still lead to a significant intake of sugar. Finally, let's talk about fried fruit dishes. This might seem obvious, but any fruit that's been deep fried is going to be loaded with unhealthy fats and calories, which are detrimental to heart health. This includes things like fried plantains or apple fritters. The key takeaway here is that this is about moderation and making informed choices. It's not about completely eliminating any particular fruit. It's about being mindful of added sugars, portion sizes, and preparation methods. Knowing which fruits to prioritize and which to limit is key to a heart-healthy diet. So we focused heavily on the role of fruit in managing cholesterol and promoting heart health. But it's important to remember that fruit is just one piece of the puzzle. A truly heart-healthy lifestyle involves a combination of factors. First and foremost, diet. We've talked about fruits, but a balanced, heart-healthy diet also includes plenty of vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's about making smart choices across the board, not just focusing on one food group. Think of the Mediterranean diet as a good model to follow. Next, exercise. Regular physical activity is absolutely crucial for heart health. It helps lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, maintain a healthy weight, and reduce stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Even just a brisk walk can make a big difference. And finally, medication and your doctor's advice. For some people, lifestyle changes alone may not be enough to manage high cholesterol. Your doctor may prescribe medication, such as statins, to help lower your cholesterol levels. It's essential to follow your doctor's recommendations and take any prescribed medication as directed. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance on managing your cholesterol and protecting your heart. So, let's recap what we've covered today. We've talked about the critical importance of managing cholesterol for heart health. We've explored the 10 best fruits for lowering cholesterol, highlighting their specific benefits and how to incorporate them into your diet. And we've discussed the 5 fruit preparations or situations where you should limit your intake, emphasizing moderation and mindful choices. And hold on, before you reach for that fruit salad, I need to remind you about those 5 situations to be cautious about. Fruits canned in heavy syrup, dried fruits with added sugar, excessive fruit juice consumption, large portions of high GI fruits, and any kind of fried fruit dishes. Remember, it's all about making informed choices. By making smart fruit choices, you're not only lowering your cholesterol, but you're also reducing your risk of heart disease and improving your overall well-being. It's a holistic approach to health, where each positive choice contributes to a greater good. You're nourishing your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting not just your heart, but your entire system. Now, I challenge you to swap out one unhealthy snack for one of these cholesterol-lowering fruits this week. It could be as simple as grabbing an apple instead of a bag of chips, or adding some berries to your yogurt instead of sugary cereal. Small changes can make a big difference. Do you have any favorite ways to incorporate these heart-healthy fruits into your diet? Share your tips and recipes in the comments. I'd love to see your creative ideas, and it might inspire others too. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel for more heart health tips and information. We are dedicated to providing you with actionable strategies. And share this video with friends and family who might benefit. Spreading awareness about fruits that lower cholesterol and the best fruits for cholesterol management is crucial. Remember to be mindful about the worst fruits for heart patients when prepared in certain ways. These simple changes can have a profound effect on your cardiovascular health. And crucially, always consult your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice, especially if you have existing health conditions. This video is for general informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical guidance.